Hello friends, welcome back. Normally there is a myth around all the beginners about the command line arguments. In C programming also, if you even ask the best of the programmers, they would have found it little difficult to understand the command line arguments in C programming, and teaching it is also ignored most of the times because it's understood as one of the toughest areas in C programming. But in Python, when you come, it is absolutely different and it is very easy. We can learn it in 2 minutes. Not more than 5 minutes is required for this session actually. With examples, it may prolong to 7 minutes. So what we are going to do in this session, we are going to learn the usage of command line arguments in Python. That's it. So let's do that with a simple example, and it is easier and it is all fun. What do we need to do? We need to first import a module called as sys for you to use any sort of command line arguments. So import sys is done. Now print sys.argv. That is it. This is sufficient for you to acquire the input from the user through the command prompt. It's very easy. How are we going to do it? Before we run this code, I'll tell you some things. Please remember, you need to store this file in the appropriate path, else it won't work. What do you mean by appropriate path? Wherever your Python installables are available, wherever you've got the complete Python store, you need to put it up there so that you can run this from the command prompt. Now what do? I went to the same path in my machine. I ran it this way. Python is the command, 1.py is the name of the file, and this is the argument that I am passing. Shriram _ teaches _ Python, and the output is all here. 1.py Shriram teaches Python. So what did we learn? We learned only the usage of sys and how do we use argv along with sys.argv to get the command line input from the user real time. Is it sufficient? No, not really. So what we are going to do? We are going to learn one more example. How do we do, sir? Very simple. I am going to tell you that also right now. It's again simple. Only thing that you need to do is you need to understand how exactly we are going to code it also for you to get more practical exposure. So I request you guys to try it out once in your machine so that you can get the practical exposure. That is very important. So you can see that here now. Now what I am going to do is I am going to find out the sum and average of 3 numbers which are going to be given as the input from the user from the command line. So how do you do it? Very simple. Import sys. X is equal to, I am going to get integer. So int of sys.argv of 1. This is the first argument. Y is equal to int of sys.argv of 2. The second argument. Third one is sys.argv of 3. Now total is equal to x plus y plus z. Average is equal to total by 3. So total and average are printed. Is it difficult? Not at all. It is very easy, and you've got the output in front of you. I'm running it in the command prompt. Python 2.py 1 2 3. Total has come, average has come. Python 2.py 6 8 10. Total has come, average has come. Very simple, and the learning shall grow further. We will see in the next session. If you have any queries, suggestions, inputs, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. And if you like the content, please subscribe. Thank you very much.